I'm gonna have to cut all this out because I hit record. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Alex and Holly. We're gonna be showing you what's in the mystery box. So there's a mystery box. So it's Disney, and go ahead and pause and then go buy it, and then come back and see it if you want it. Like right now. But it's Disney, so it's gonna be there for a while. And Disney, digital. It's digital, not Disney, but it is Disney.
It is Disney, and it's digital.
It's digital as well.
It's a Disney digital mystery box.
So you don't have to pause. You can stay here. So Frozen Celebration, right? So
yep, Frozen Celebration.
Let's go ahead and.
Who doesn't love Frozen?
See what's.
And Olaf.
Yeah.
Olaf's definitely
loading screen. There we go.
And Sven. You can't forget Sven.
So here's the images in the Frozen.
Ooh. Oh, look at the made to be unique.
Made to be unique.
I love
like
that.
It.
Makes me think of Melody.
Yeah. Elsa. What is that?
I feel like that's like a sign for like Arendelle or something.
Okay.
I feel like that's it. I know I'm magic. I love that that snowflake that says I know I'm magic.
Is it a star or is it a snowflake?
I think it's a snow. Okay. Maybe it's an ice crystal.
Okay.
We'll go with ice crystal.
An A.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if they had other letters.
Yeah, that isn't customizable for other letters. I checked there.
An ice castle to call home.
I think this one's really pretty too. The Anna with the flowers in it.
Yeah.
Perfect for a little girl's room.
Just being cool.
On my iciest behavior. Oh, you are my fave for life. Olaf. There's Olaf.
Yeah. We had to have Olaf.
He was so excited about summer. He had such positivity towards summer. He had no clue. He got
okay, so these are signs. So frozen earth, wind, water.
Oh, it's the elements.
So what's this one up here?
Fire, maybe? What did we have?
And fire.
Fire. I didn't know. Arendelle is home. Embrace the ice.
Nice.
You guys that live in Florida and the desert don't have to worry about that.
That's right. What's the...
Kind spirit.
Kind
The next one is kind spirit.
It was searching inside of that, so we have to go back. Where'd the search bar go?
It disappeared.
Clear all. There we go. I was like, where did it go? Kind spirit. Search. Okay.
Frozen's the only one about sisters. Right? It's the only Disney movie really about sisters. I mean, Cinderella has the wicked stepsisters, but that's...
That one.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Two princesses. Okay.
So this is Kind Spirit, Disney Kind Spirit.
That's like vintage.
Also, yeah.
Vintage Mickey and
Minnie. Aww.
Pluto. I love Pluto.
So cool poppers.
Makes you miss Kobe, don't it?
Yeah.
The pineapple.
What?
Where does Mr. Pineapple come from?
Minnie Mouse pineapple.
It must a Minnie Mouse pineapple.
Yeah.
We got fruits now.
All right.
Donald and Daisy. Those are cute. Those would be cute to put on shirts too.
Yeah.
Cutting wise,
Yeah.
Good for those Disney World shirts that everybody in the family makes matching shirts to go.
Right.
Like, have you even went to Disney if you haven't made matching shirts to go to Disney in?
All right. And what's our next one?
Our next one is Home at Your Haven.
How did I get... Why do I keep losing the thing? Can't cancel? Oh. Sorry, guys. What is it?
Home at Your Haven. Images.
Home is.
Oh, home is your haven.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. I was like, I don't understand the wording on that, but.
It doesn't make sense because it wasn't right. Home is your haven.
Okay. So.
Happy thoughts, all with Mickey Mouse.
I like it.
I do. I like that. And Winnie the Pooh, he's always a winner.
Are these? So yeah, these are. So these drawing ones. It looks like it's they hold it down. It's like the pen never lifts up.
Right.
So
it draws it.
Draws, yeah.
Oh, Pooh and Piglet.
Aw.
I love Piglet. Sleeping Pew.
Stay positive.
Oh, I like this one, Winnie the Pooh on the honey pot, and it says, "Enjoy the little things."
Yeah.
That's cute.
More smiling?
He looks like he's missing his honey pot right there.
Yeah, he's like, wait a second.
Ooh, no honey pot. And
Well,
then love yourself. The bottom one is really cool. Love yourself.
Yeah. That's
Very
cool.
cute. Disney's always positive.
Is that it, or is there more? Is there another?
Yeah, there's one more. And
Okay.
then that is the abstract princess. Princess abstract
Okay.
faces.
Why I have to keep going? Why does it do this? Why are you doing this to me? Images. Okay. All right. You said
Princess abstract.
Abstract.
Faces. Ooh, this one's got 40 images.
All right.
That's a lot of images.
There
That's
is,
a lot of
yeah.
princesses.
There's a lot of Disney images.
Oh, there's one with the grouping too, the good together. That's like little,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
like Ariel with like the water sign,
Okay.
right? Isn't that the water sign below her?
I'm gonna say yes because it looks like water, but honestly, I don't know.
Yeah. Sounded good. Ariel. Cinderella. I like Snow White with the apple. Princess Aurora. Madison loved her. She always wanted to be Princess Aurora. That's back when she said she was going to marry her daddy and he was her prince too, but things change. They turn into teenagers. Oh. The rose. You could do the rose on so many things.
Yeah.
What's your favorite Disney movie, Alex?
Oh, that's a tough one. I don't know. Pirates? We'll just go with Pirates. Pirates of the Caribbean.
When I think Disney, I'm like, okay, what animated, what's your favorite Disney princess? How about that?
I have no idea. I didn't watch any Disney movies until like a few years ago.
Oh my gosh,
So,
I watched every Disney movie. They're all amazing.
so that's everything in this mystery box?
Yep, that's everything. Those 4 new digital groupings.
All right.
All right, everybody, thanks for joining us. This is the first video, obviously, without Melody. Me and Alex are here together, and we miss her so much, but we know that she would always bring you those mystery boxes, and we didn't want you guys to miss out. Thanks for all the love and the comments and the prayers and everything that you guys have done for us. You guys have been amazing. So until next time, happy crafting, guys.
Toodles!